Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Spotify account security to stop login takeovers step by step clearly. To enhance your Spotify account security and prevent login takeovers, follow these steps carefully. Open the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Privacy or Security section. In this section, choose Two-Factor Authentication. If you haven't set it up yet, select the option to enable. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure to input a number that you have access to. After entering your phone number, click on Send Code. Check your phone for a verification code from Spotify. Once you receive the code, enter it in the specified field on the Spotify app or website. After entering the code, confirm to activate two-factor authentication. You should now see a confirmation message that two-factor authentication is enabled. Next, go back to your account settings. Look for Manage Devices or a similar section. Review the list of devices currently logged into your account. If you see any unfamiliar devices, select the option to log them out. After managing your devices, return to the security settings. Consider changing your password to something strong and unique. Make sure your new password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After updating your password, log out of all devices to finalize your security update. Finally, check your email for any suspicious activities related to your Spotify account. By following these steps, you'll significantly reduce the risk of login takeovers on your Spotify account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.